Morning, hi. This is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, August 25th. We are looking for a return of monsoon moisture today. That's going to bring us isolated to scattered thunderstorms, and we're going to see scattered to likely showers. Some of those thunderstorms will be dry, but others will be wet. We could potential for up to a tenth of an inch, if not a quarter of an inch, in some of these thunderstorms. It'll just depend on how strong these thunderstorms develop. If not inhibited by smoke or clouds in their development. We are looking for isolated thunderstorms also to continue Wednesday and Thursday, maybe scattered tomorrow afternoon in our northern areas, central mountains. Our air quality has improved quite a bit from what we saw over the weekend, mainly because of the showers and thunderstorms that we've seen, and that's going to continue the next couple of days. Although we're not going to get rid of it completely. Again, it depends on the fires in California, but our overall wind direction is still southwest, and so that will continue to bring smoke as long as there is smoke in California, at least through the weekend until we have a big change with this big cold front Sunday into Monday. That cold front's also going to bring us much cooler temperatures, whereas we're nearing 90s today for the Snake River Plain. It will only be in the low 70s by Sunday, Monday, particularly Monday. Here is that moisture that's moved to our area. We have some showers over us now, and then this is a trough or a boundary that's going to move and help enhance those. And those thunderstorms are going to be inhibited a little bit by the cloud cover and smoke, but they are going to be strengthened or have a chance to become stronger because of that trough and instability from that trough that's kind of moving through today. Afternoon will be the prime time into early evening. And so we do have red flags out for all our areas, and due to the scattered thunderstorm potential, again, gusty outflows, small hail will be the main threat from those. Wednesday will continue those thunderstorms, mostly isolated in coverage, and then Thursday will be isolated as well, mainly in the afternoon for each Wednesday and Thursday. And you can see by Thursday we start to stay out of the plain areas and mainly just in the mountains. Air quality was orange yesterday, and then it was red the day prior to that. So we actually have gotten much better on our air quality. And that will probably continue, at least yellow, if not good, in the next couple days with all the precip, and then may go back to yellow or orange the next couple days, depending on how much fires are in California, because we'll stay in that southwest flow. And it's not going to be until late Sunday into Monday when we change that upper flow wind direction, coming out of the north, assuming there's no fires up north, which there aren't any currently. Or they'll likely get really nice air quality back by next Monday. So here's our convection. You can see this is 8 a.m., 9 a.m. A lot of into the central mountains as far as convection early, and then as depending on how much cloud cover dissipates and we can have build up, it will start in the afternoon when you start to see the coverage across the area. Mainly it's in the mountains, but we do have some that go in the Snake Plain. Again, we're looking at gusts of 40 to 50 with these, potentially a little bit higher for some of these, and then some small hail, particularly if we have some stronger development. Again, if we have stronger development with some of these thunderstorms, they get a little bit bigger. Those are the ones that will likely have a little bit more precip with them, maybe up to 0.25. But in general, on our weaker ones will be 0.10 or less on the precip amounts with them. So we'll have a mix of wet and dry thunderstorms today. Today's temperatures are the lowest we've seen in a while, and this will probably be the warmest of the week. And we're looking around 90 for some of the valley areas, so still a good 5 to 10 degrees above normal. And then RH, relative humidity, is above 15% for all areas and even above 20 for most areas, so that's good with all that. And then our wind gust is from the trough moving through, in general 20 to 30. However, in and around thunderstorms suspect up to 40 to 50 miles an hour, maybe even a little bit higher. And then our higher temperatures Wednesday are a little bit lower than today, still with cloud cover, and it'll look like with that trough moving through, it'll be a little bit cooler. And you can see our RHs are still well above the 15%. And then as you go into Wednesday, still a little bit breezy with that lingering trough. And then you also will see some outflows that day as well, probably just in the 30 to 40 mile an hour range, but still thunderstorms will produce gusty outflows. On Thursday, we're going to see temperatures around the same as Wednesday, if not just a little bit less. Again, with that that trough will have a little bit of cooler air with it. But on Friday, here's Thursday's RH as well, still above the 20%. On Friday, we will start to see a rebound of temperatures just a little bit. And again, in that well above 5 to 10 degrees above normal. This actually might even rise up a little bit higher, near 90 for some of these areas. But the models are holding off on it right now. And then you see our RHs start to decrease as well. Some areas below 15% in the Arco Desert. And then on Saturday, out ahead of that next strong cold front, our temperatures rise even a little bit more. And again, I wouldn't be surprised if some of these hit 90 again. And as we go into the RHs, there a lot of areas well below the 15%, particularly the Arco Desert. We will start hitting critical wind as well late that afternoon into early evening, so it could potentially be another red flag day, particularly for the Arco Desert. And as we go into Sunday, into Monday, we are looking at a good chance of well below normal temperatures. It looks like they'd be a good 10 degrees below normal, if not 15 degrees below normal. And Sunday, though, you're still around 80, which is normal to slightly below normal. And then here's your RHs are just a small area below the critical areas, but our winds are much stronger with that system moving through. With critical winds pretty much everywhere. And then high temperatures Monday, as I mentioned, this is actually 69 in Blackfoot, 72 in Pocatello, so a good 10 degrees below normal. And then here's your RH has risen just a little bit above critical values. So just as a quick recap, we're looking at a return to monsoon moisture bringing scattered thunderstorms today. We have red flag warnings out from noon to 9 p.m. for all our areas. We have isolated thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday, maybe scattered for a few areas in our northern areas on Wednesday. The biggest threat today is going to be the wind gust with those, and then lightning, potential of creating fires. That's why I have the red flag out for today. And again, as I mentioned already, the isolated thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday. Our poor air quality has actually gotten a little bit better than what we've seen the last several days, and will remain nicer as long as we have showers and thunderstorms in our area. And but we were in southwest flow, so by Friday, Saturday, it could get a little bit worse, depending on what's happening in California. But it will get much better as we go into Monday, as we have a significant system moving through that will bring kind of a northerly overall upper level winds to our area, and not bring smoke into our area from California anymore. And that will bring much cooler temperatures around 10 degrees, 15 degrees below normal. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.